Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the slide option in the edge actions of ZModeler tool. So before getting into the slide option, I would like to use a transpose tool which is in the edge actions itself. So I'm selecting the transpose and then choose the edge loop complete and select any one of the edge here, which will allow me to select the edge, and the other points are basically masked out. So when I'm selecting that edge and then I'm moving it, you should be able to see the edge is moving vertically up and down in the y-axis, which is ending up giving me a deformed shape of the sphere. I'm losing the curvature of this sphere. So this is where our tool comes into the picture. So in ZModeler, if you hover the cursor on the edge and then choose this tool called slide, okay, and you got different types of targets here. I'll use edge loop complete and then just click any one of the edge and drag it. You should be able to see the edge is moving from one edge to the other edge, and it is respecting the tangency and the curvature of the shape between the two edges without losing much of the shape. So this is a lifesaver sometimes when modeling things. So it is most used tool by modelers in terms of transformation is concerned. If you got any questions on this tool, let me know in the comment section, and I request you to subscribe my channel and hit like button, and thank you very much.